So here is my second design for Valentine's Day. I am using my oval number 8 Dulce Alpha brush, and I'm using my mix called Truly Deep Madly Deeply. Sorry guys. And I was trying so hard to glue on some tips to these trainer hand tips and nothing worked. So I tried the EBATES full coverage tips. I just cut it off and created a free edge, and I glued it to these trainer hand tips, and it worked amazing. So I'm going in with this CM Nails black acrylic, and I'm covering the top half of the pinky nail. And on the free edge, I am adding the glitter mix here and like a ombre fade effect. I love how this mix came out. It has little tiny black hearts and then some red hollow hearts. Super cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Now on the ring fingernail, I am going to use this other CM Nails colored acrylic. This is in the color red. So I'm covering the nail in red so the glitter mix will have a nice base to it and not that trainer hand color or the color of the tips. And on the middle fingernail, I'm only gonna add the red colored acrylic on the top half of the nail, and then on the tip is gonna be black colored acrylic, so it's gonna be like an ombre effect.
Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hoping we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
The colored acrylics come out really light for me because I am using a odorless monomer, so it takes a while for it to cure, so I have to do like multiple layers and I gotta let them dry between each layer. So now I'm just adding the glitter mix on top of the red area.
I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all the answers on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion.
And on the index nail, I'm just gonna cover it completely in black acrylic. And I do not show you guys the thumbnail because my trainer hand went through an accident and it does not have a thumbnail, but you could easily just repeat one of these designs on the thumbnail as well. So here I'm just cleaning it up. I already filed and buffed them off camera, and now it's time to design them. The first stamping plate I am going to use is Celebration BPXL014, and this is like their Valentine's Day plate. I am using the image of a rose here with a butterfly, so I am gonna do reverse stamping. So I'm filling in the leaves in green, and then the rose I'm filling it in red. I let it dry for a minute and then I transfer it onto my nail. As you can see, I was trying so hard to transfer that butterfly, but it would not stick, so I just let it be and leave it like that. Now I'm going to use this image of the heartbeat like flat line, and I'm going to add that at an angle on the middle fingernail. And for the index nail, I'm using this wording that says Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm just gonna stamp it like on the top area by the cuticle of the nail. Now I'm using this other stamping plate from Born Pretty store. It is BP15, and I am using the image of a couple. There is their silhouette and they're like looking at each other. Looks so cute and perfect for this set. So that was it for stamping. Now I go in with my Nicole Diary liner brush and I just add some abstract lines in black and white on some of the nails where you see like some empty spaces. And of course I have to bling them up. So now here I'm just adding some clear rhinestones, and then once I'm done with this I top coat it, and I'll be back and show you guys the final results.
And now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hoping we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hoping we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. I got you buried deep.
And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed these nails. They look super cute, something different, and I really love that stiletto shape on the nails. I will see you guys on the next design I make for Valentine's Day. Bye.